Welcome parents and caregivers to our ultimate guide on mastering the art of diaper changes. In this video, we'll walk you through step by step on how to change a diaper. Let's get started. Step 1. Gather your supplies. You'll need a clean diaper, wipes, diaper cream, and a changing mat or surface. Make sure everything is within arm's reach to keep your little one safe. Step 2. Find a safe and comfortable spot to change your baby. It could be a changing table, a mat on the floor, or any flat surface. Remember to always keep one hand on your baby to prevent any accidents. Step 3. Remove the dirty diaper. Gently lift your baby's legs by the ankles and slide the dirty diaper out from underneath. Step 4. Clean your baby's bottom. Use wipes to gently clean from front to back, making sure to get all the nooks and crannies. If your baby has a rash or irritation, apply a thin layer of diaper cream. Step 5. Time for a fresh diaper. Slide the clean diaper underneath your baby, making sure it's aligned with their belly button. Bring the front part up between their legs and fasten the tabs snugly but not too tight. Step 6. Double check for comfort. Make sure the diaper is not too loose or too tight. You should be able to fit a finger or two between the diaper and your baby's tummy. And just like that, you've successfully changed your baby's diaper. Remember to dispose of the dirty diaper properly and wash your hands thoroughly. Before we go, here are a few quick tips for diaper changing. Always have a spare set of diapers and wipes on hand. For boys, point their private parts down to avoid leaks. Change diapers frequently to prevent discomfort and rashes. Be prepared for surprises, like a diaper blowout. It happens to the best of us. Thank you for watching our ultimate guide on mastering the art of diaper changes. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Happy diaper changing!